Tuesday takedown number 2, Houston Raceway Park. We're here again at the track with the Bullet. Today's adventure, we got to get from number 3 to number 2. In our way is a Ford Mustang, I believe, and Aldo Wells' Ford Mustang as well. They're gonna go at it first and second to see who's gonna win from that, and then the loser or the runner-up from that race, I've already placed a call out. Hopefully he's willing to race me today. We gotta wait for them to race first, and then we're gonna go at it hopefully today. Hopefully they accept the call out. Right now I don't have any call outs made on me, so I'm just sitting waiting for that 1 and 2 spot to race. I'm gonna have to go and get teched in as usual, and I gotta find somebody to help me pack this parachute. So just waiting for my turn in this whole top 10 deal. This is actually Aldo Wells' Mustang. If you guys don't follow him on YouTube, I'll link the video, his channel up here. He's doing a lot of great content there, mostly Mustang related, but he's a big name, especially in the fabricating industry and in the Mustang community. So give him a follow right here. I know Aldo has agreed to race me tonight if he falls for number 2 again. The other guy, maybe not. He'll probably want to wait till next week to retain his number 1 spot. So we'll just have to see how it goes. If I can move past number 2, then I'll challenge number 1 for next week. If that's the case, if I can't get a race tonight, I'm gonna attempt to go out there and turn up the wick on the starting line, see if the track and the tires will hold it, just see what it does. So a big change of events going on right now for list pricing. It seems like this might be the way things go, but for sure, the number 1 spot, the guy said he was only gonna run race, and that was it. So he wasn't gonna race me at all. So if Aldo beats him, that spot's locked. Like I said, we don't really have the rules lined up completely yet. There's no like, well, you can't call him out or you gotta wait or whatever. But it's all just kind of amongst ourselves as a race community. So I'm gonna let that be. Instead, Justin Johnson, a good friend of mine, so we were gonna line it up, but unfortunately the weather has struck. It's been lightning. They've already called that there's rain at the end of the track, so we're just gonna have to call it there. I can already feel the sprinklers coming in. So yeah, hey. I'm gonna go ahead and put my car inside the trailer, just get it out of the rain. And but for sure, the next race I'll be racing Justin for the number 3 spot, and then from there we'll move up. The rain is coming. Let's get this streetcar in the trailer. So that's it. They've called it for the night. It is what it is. We're gonna pack it up, go home, probably play some Call of Duty. If you guys aren't following me on Twitch, where you can catch us live, you got any questions for me, you want to talk to me live, Twitch is where we stream every once in a while, me and my wife. The link is always down below in the description. Make sure you follow me there. But we're gonna keep racing. We're gonna keep pushing the car. I'm trying to get a 7.5 out of it, and I'm trying to get to this number 1 list here in Houston. So that's the plan. We're gonna keep going. We'll see what event is next, and go from there. But for now, I'm gonna strap this car on and go home. All right, so a couple days now after the race, and not a lot has happened. So I decided I needed to make a quick fix, if you will, on something that's been bothering me. I got Diego over here.
Okay, Juanito, what are we doing?
Okay, look, so see all this right here? This is from, it started from a sticker, right? I didn't know that this glass has like a film over it. So it's got something there, and I don't like it. It's been just peeling off all towards the bottom here. So I need to know what we can do about it.
fix it.
How are you gonna fix it?
Don't worry about it.
Don't worry. Just drop it off and let it go.
Just drop it off and
It's that easy?
that easy.
If it was that easy, I'd just do it at home.
You can't.
Oh, I don't have the right materials and tools to do it.
You don't have the skill.
The skill, okay. All right, let me get this thing off. It doesn't weigh a lot, but it's still kind of heavy. No, you thought I'm holding it with one hand. This,
Jet black.
yeah, this gate's a different black. It's like milky black. It's not jet black. You're so strong, Diego. See all of that right there? This is where a sticker used to be. The numbers from Texas 2K417, I think it was. All of that.
You want to see through this, Juanito, or?
It doesn't matter.
No?
No. I never look back. Because I'm always
Esa me gusta.
strapped in.
I never look back.
I never look
We'll do it.
All right.
Okay?
All right, now that that's dropped off, we can focus on some more stuff on the car while we got a little bit of downtime. So with the hatch dropped off, there's just little things here and there on the car that I've been meaning to get cleaned up or make better. So with the hatch off, we can actually pull the headliner out. And I want to take a look at the headliner because I've been meaning to get it fixed. See, you guys never seen this before because I don't think anyone's actually looked up in my car. But you see this big old hole right here? It's been bothering me. It's where the handle used to be for the parachute. We had to cut a hole in the headliner to make it work. And yeah, that's not good. So I'm gonna pull the headliner out. First I gotta take the T-tops off. Then I'm gonna put the headliner out and then we'll take a look at it. But it should be a fairly easy thing to do. I've done the headliner before in the truck, so kind of have somewhat an idea of what I'm doing. Let's get this thing out so we can take a look at it. So the only problem with this stuff is that it's made of this really light, like it's not even cardboard. This is hard to hear, but some of the other sections are soft and it's easy to really mess up. So pulling the fabric off of this and then reattaching it, it's gonna break it up real bad. So I'm gonna look, see how it's already starting to kind of like tear off. That it's gonna crumble as soon as I pull the fabric off, and it's just gonna dissolve literally in my hand. So I'm a little bit in a predicament with this thing. Not sure what I'll be able to do. If any of my race car buddies out there have a solution for what you do on the T-tops, maybe we can just not run a T-top if I paint the above section. I mean, it might look all right without it. I'm not sure. We'll have to figure that out. I mean, the front portion, this middle portion looks okay, but back here doesn't look that great without it. My fear is that as soon as I start pulling this fabric off, it's gonna just basically deteriorate in my hand. See, like that corner right there? That's just gonna come apart. It's just coming apart as soon as I pull it. I don't know. But this is the hole that we're trying to fix right there. Yeah, we need to get rid of that. But at least I have it out and I can kind of mess with it at the shop and we'll figure it out. But I do have a new shirt design based on the intro logo that you saw at the beginning. So leave a comment if you liked it, if you want to see that on a shirt, kind of OG style but updated. Leave that comment down below. I'm gonna take this headliner and figure out where I could throw this thing away at. Once the hatch comes back, we'll make a video on that and I'll show you the results of what it looks like after they fix it. That's it for me now, and I'm gonna get back to it. I feel like I'm making it worse. Oh. Yeah, I'm leaving that alone.